That's El Toro, the back row. Jeez. Yeah, that was one of like the craziest times I've had recording with one of these on a coaster.
Was it like impossible to keep it like steady?
It's impossible, and like I gotta tighten this even more.
I can send you my footage. You need to use
this.
it.
This like it tilts it down. Yeah, I've never had that happen.
Buckle your seatbelt, exit quickly but safely to your left. Enjoy the rest of your night here at your adventure.
That's El Toro.